Okay, yeah, I will tell you a recent experience.
Yeah.
We applied for a trust or a foundation.
Yeah.
Their money is being managed by Camden Council.
Okay.
And their aim is to develop community cohesion.
Yeah.
So we put our bid in, and it was a big money, 24,000.
Yeah.
So they gave us 21,800, which is nearly 23.
Yeah.
And then because of our size, we are small, but they know we have the ability. So we involved Abi Community Center, where we based, and Henna Women, Asian Women Group, as to be in the steering committee, so they can overlook how things will be done, plus our management committee. And the project went really, really well, and it started this year, and by middle of the year we achieved a lot, and we decided to hold a big event.
Yeah.
It was attended by Camden Mayor and some of the Kilburn councillor, and they were impressed with the turnout and the project itself.
Yeah.
So they keep telling us that we really met the community cohesion aims and goals, which we were proud of, and we want to carry on developing the community cohesion so people in the area can know each other and start to talk to each other. No fears.
Yeah.
Whenever you meet someone, you don't get frightened or fear.
Yeah. Can you, what advice would you give to other refugee organisations who want to work in partnership with other organisations like you've done?
Yeah, the first thing they need to do, they need to identify the organisation.
Yeah.
And then build a trust or good relationship with that organisation. And then when there is a trust and good relationship between a refugee organisation and other organisation, whether it's a mainstream organisation or any other local organisation, if there is a trust, then they can start look for funding and develop project together,